All right, Kim, what we got?
Okay, we've got a country egg and 1 egg.
Looks good. Looks healthy.
Now dark that. Now we're going to take 1 egg and we're going to go ahead and whisk it up just a little bit before we add our other ingredients.
And what are we making today?
A corn casserole.
Ooh, I love corn casserole.
1 can of whole kernel corn, undrained. So you're going to use all the juice for it.
I love when you use the juice.
1 can of cream style corn.
Already? I love cream corn. Reminds me of my Meemaw.
Yeah, I love corn, period. Then we're going to take 1 teaspoon of sugar. Sprinkle it in there. And 1 box of Jiffy corn muffin mix.
Ooh, can't be beat.
And you're going to take this and combine all this together.
All right, it looks good.
Okay, now once you've got it all stirred up, take this and put it in your greased 9 by 13 pan.
Looks corny.
Yeah. Okay, then you are going to take 16 ounce of sour cream. We got regular, not fat-free or low-fat, plain old regular sour
you need
cream.
the real stuff. And the whole thing's going on there?
The whole thing. Okay, so the recipe said to pipe this in, but I'm just going to drop it in. And surely this will be just as good as piping.
Oh, yeah. This looks like a good one, though.
Well, usually anything with corn is going to be good. Okay, now we're just going to I'm going to mix this. I know, I just feel like it would be better if I kind of marble it up here with this sour cream. Because
I trust your judgment.
yeah, I just think I need to mix it up a little bit.
Looks pretty cool.
Yes, it does. No doubt it's going to be delicious. Now, that looks much better.
Yeah, I agree.
Okay, let's let her bake.
So 350 for 40 minutes.
Okay.
Nice.
Corn casserole.
It's looking good.
Now, when you're going to bring it out, you're going to put 2 cups of cheese, cheddar cheese on top of it. Put it back in the oven for 10 minutes. Got some sharp cheddar cheese. We're just going to sprinkle it on top here.
The whole thing.
Whole 2 cups of it.
Nice. And we'll put it back in for how long?
10 minutes.
10 minutes, okay. 10-ish minutes, 350.
10 minutes. Hi.
Ooh. Nice and cheesy now.
Perfect brown around the edges.
Careful with that tin.
Yep,
Looking floppy.
Let it cool a minute.
That's how I burned myself. Remember that?
Yes, I do. That was a terrible day.
That
That ooey gooey cake.
That ooey gooey butter cake.
Joined your
That really
leg
got
real
me.
quick. That was terrible.
Oh. All right, let's try this baby. Wait.
Extra cheesy.
Let me get a little fine china, as Kim calls it. It's golden brown. All right, let's give this baby a try. That was really good. Thank you, Lynette, for the recipe. This was really good. Thanks, Lynette.